How to hide names on Instagram notifications. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide names on Instagram notifications, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say you are logged into your Instagram account. Somebody basically sends you a message, but you don't want other people to know that you have sent them or they have sent you a message, because maybe you're sharing your phone with someone or anything as such. Now, one thing you have to understand is that you can't really hide names on Instagram notifications, but there are two things that you can do. You can either turn off the notifications by muting that person, or you can choose to hide the content of that notifications. So to show this to you, if I just come to the DMs page, let's say I receive notification from a certain person, I should just actually mute that person in this case, so that I will not receive notifications. So I can tap the mute option, I can select mute messages. I will not know if this person has sent me a message unless I open the Instagram app myself. The other thing you can do is you can just try to turn off notifications. You can go to settings and then go to notifications option and go to app notifications and just type in Instagram, and once you type in Instagram, make sure to turn off Instagram notifications to help solve this problem. The final thing I can recommend you do is depends upon your device as well. You can go to the option called display, and once you go to the option, you can go to the option called notifications, go to lock screen notifications, and you can choose to hide the content. Now what this does is that whenever your phone is locked, on the lock screen it will just show you that you have received a notification from Instagram, but it will not show you who sent you that notification and what kind of notification it is. For that, you just have to unlock your phone. So that is the only way to do this out. If you want to figure out, you have to unlock your phone and then check the notification panel. This will usually happen whenever you're selecting the option called hide content. So these are some of the things you can do to hide names on Instagram notifications. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.